Make sure to subscribe and stay connected with us. Listen and practice. Today, I would like to tell you how I practice English at home sometimes. I can change from normal to a crazy person just for fun. Everybody is a bit crazy. I say anything that comes to my mind in English. I talk to myself. I try to not speak my native language. I talk and walk. I sit on a chair and ask questions. I also use the mirror. Hold on, stay with me. Don't go away. This method helps me speak English. I am not a shy person. I just say things I have learned, even numbers. Try it and see. Here's what I say. Are you talking to me? Yes, I am talking to you. I get up. You're crazy. I know, so what? Relax and calm down. Why don't you go to the kitchen and make a good coffee? No problem, I can do that. Take it easy. Are you hungry? Yes, I like to order food. No, don't do that. Enjoy your coffee first, then cook something. Okay, let's do that. I forgot. I opened the fridge and saw what I wanted to cook. If not, check out the cabinet. You have spaghetti and sauce, noodles, etc. Don't worry, I'll be making a delicious garden salad. Please turn the lights on, it's getting dark. How do you feel now? Better? Yes, yes, I can see clearer. Did you do your homework? Not yet. I don't care, I'll do it later. Anyway, the floor looks clean. The TV is off, it's quiet, which is good. I don't need to listen to music. Look at me now and stop acting. Turn the music on. Let's sing and dance like crazy pros. Oh yeah, up, up, down, down. Shake it twice. Again. To the right, to the left. Say it again. Dancing is like exercising. It's good to have some fun from time to time. And keep up a healthy body. Do it like me. Practice at home and be a bit crazy. I am sure you will speak English that way. Let me know if it works for you. Write me a comment. I am curious. Thank you, my friend. Talk to you later.